Yeah.
What up, man? Block BG signing in, man. Another blocking in the studio. 6'4" baby going crazy.
But this shit,
New material on the way. BG.
Smoke gonna run up, get filled up. Hold on. Play that back when it said I gotta come in faster. Let a nigga run up and he gonna get filled up. Let a nigga run up and he gonna get filled up. Yeah. Hey. But top the steps, I'm a problem. The bro got the fifth, he had life when he caught it back smoking on apples. Did there gog, I'm popping shit, I know.
The biggest part of this shit, for real, niggas talented. Nigga. The biggest part is about staying free and staying alive. Niggas ain't even staying alive and staying free long enough to see if we could have really made it. And that's what we trying to change this shit, bro. That's what 6'4" baby come straight out the swamp and rise up to the water on y'all and show y'all that it's possible. This BG shit deep in rap.
Oh, you can't argue when I want you. You supposed to keep that. We smoke, I pack to the baby. Better than Louis V for my damn kid. Like a foot baby chopper gon' keep. I get fresh, get a load and get high as a bitch. All these niggas be caught, they be acting like bitch. All that talk slick, get your ass shot dead. BG shit, man. Some shit, man. City small moving wrong, you can get your ass killed. My hand to hand.
Man, we uplifting niggas. It's real shit. And we don't do nothing but inspire and motivate. We want to see niggas win. So over here, it's family ties. Man, there's nothing but motivation and love, man, and shit. And protecting each other. Take my bitch, eat her body. Yeah. This shit hard.
Hey, this shit gonna be a hit, son. I told you, bro, this shit going up.
That's what we on. That's what we got going on. That's what type of family we building. I'm glad y'all get to tap in and see what's going on behind the scenes. These late night studio sessions. 6'4" baby. He came in. He wasn't even in St. Louis. I told him he had sessions booked. That's all I had to tell that nigga. That nigga, young nigga, niggas older than him. They want you to hold their hand and shit. That nigga made it to the loop, jumped right in the studio, didn't waste no time. Like,
nigga fake, they counterfeit. I get right now, no counterfeit. I scam for the money and turn out legit. Got a big 4 with a 30 in it. Saucy gang, I real my shit. My nigga be stepping, we really been bout it. I'm shitting on everybody that ever died. I'm shot with the Glock, I can only without it. All the drip on me, get your bitch wet like a fountain. Scam, thumbing through money, I'm counting. Damn. My young nigga slang drum, he gon' get filled. You fucked up in my wood, but I swear this bitch stuffed up. I'm smoking on dope, but I swear my wood stuffed up. Yeah, hey, dope.
That's what I'm saying. That's what we about. We about work. And niggas love this shit, so work ain't shit. 6'4" baby go to school, about to bust your motherfucking head. Hey, yo, straight. And others, motherfuckers calling me crazy. Hey, bro, that shit pissing me the fuck off, bro. I'm like, nigga, I'm fucked up. But you know what? Nigga, I am crazy. I don't fuck about you. I don't fuck about Steel. I don't give a fuck about Ryan neither. I don't give a fuck about myself. Man, that shit, nigga. So be it, motherfucker.